Unlocking success using the power of self-reflection and changing habits. Self-reflection for success. Pause and examine your daily routines. Identify habits hindering progress. Honest evaluation. Acknowledge counterproductive patterns. Recognize the need for change. Developing a plan. Select one detrimental habit to focus on. Explore alternative behaviors. Set small, achievable goals. Patience and commitment. Be patient with yourself. Celebrate small victories. Stay committed to your goals. Concluding message. Your journey towards personal growth and success. Embrace the power of self-reflection to identify and change ineffective habits. Remember, habits can be changed with patience and commitment. By replacing old habits with new, positive behaviors, you pave the way for personal growth and success. Stay committed, stay focused, and watch as your journey unfolds. Please forward this to a friend who might enjoy it. If you are looking for the blog or PDF associated with this video, please let us know in the comments below. Your feedback is very much appreciated. Please let us know what kind of resources you are looking for. Our most in-demand resource. New Beginning, com/freebies for you. You can become our affiliate and earn 50% commission. New Beginning, com/affiliate program. Our course package that proved $4,000 revenue in a week is now available as a PLR at 90% off for you to grab and start making money immediately. DIY or DFY settings for PLR are available for your quick start success. Solopreneurs resources to scale businesses. New Beginning, com. Solopreneurs Digital Branding Hub. My New Beginning, com. Coming up soon, Solopreneurs Dream Lifestyle. Supats.com. Connect with us at eCare at newbeginning.com. Thank you, and may God bless you abundantly.